Let's check the stress on this joint.
Rotating the model now. Initiating full body scan now. Point cloud looks solid. Hold that steady. Torquing it now.
Technicians apply a thin detail coat, capturing every sculpted pore before building the mother mold. Here, the metal skeleton meets its foam core. Technicians check every joint for clearance. These Precision technicians install miniature actuators. These drive the animatronics' facial expressions.
Technicians carefully align the silicone skin. Dozens of cable points map to internal anchors.
Each joint contains a tiny pivot pin. These cables act as tendons.
Integrating the brain, connecting sensory and motor networks. Communication is now confirmed. Cable 04 Theta is routed correctly. Starting shoulder rotation.
No binding visible.
Audio signal clarity test 1, 2. Inside the studio, technicians install eyes, a delicate process requiring precision. Each eye Precise styling is vital.
We trim to the exact design brief.
Every detail matters. Each garment is custom tailored. It must allow full range of motion. System check complete.
How are you feeling today?
This is a stent of Krem's.
Initiating final visual check. Facial range of motion is smooth. Costume fit matches the master. Every case is custom fitted. This ensures maximum protection.
Ready to lift. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Watch the neck clearance.
Left side clear, right side clear.
Let's check the response at 5 meters. Ready for the audio test.
How is the weather in London?
Perfect.
Welcome. How can I help you today?
Levels are good for the main floor.
Hello.
Welcome to your future. Are you ready to explore?
Wow, this is incredible.
Hello, it's very nice to meet you.